Fly on the Wall TV. This video will show you how to change an image or picture in PowerPoint. For example, let's say that this is the image you'd like to replace. Right-click the image and then select Change Picture. After that, you're going to select From a File, basically saying which file and which image you'd like to replace it with. Once the selection box opens up, locate the image you'd like to replace it with and double-click it. And just like magic, you've replaced your old image with a brand new one. Thank you for watching Fly on the Wall TV tutorials.